The purpose of this demonstration project is to prove the technical and economic relevance of a power-to-gas solution. The Store&Go project was carried out in southern Italy. The project stands out from other power-to-gas projects, thanks to a word first consisting of capturing CO2 from the air, which combined with hydrogen makes it possible to synthesize renewable methane. This installation captures atmospheric carbon. Air is drawn into the plant, and the CO2 within the air is chemically bound to a filter. The CO2 is then released from the filter and collected as concentrated CO2 gas to supply KHIMOD methanation unit. Hydrogen is produced in an electrolyzer system with electric renewable current that decomposes the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Based on Sabatier reaction, KHIMOD developed a power-to-gas unit with its unique technology of heat exchanger reactors. In the Store&Go project, KHIMOD provided a complete methanation system capable of producing up to 10 normal cubic meter per hour of synthetic methane. To date, no methanation system has been able to reach the conversion efficiency of CO2 into methane obtained in this project. That is 99.6%. Inside this insulation system are located heat exchanger reactors, heart of KHIMOD technology. At the reactor outlet, several operations are necessary to finally obtain usable methane. KHIMOD's methanation unit can be used to produce methane for various uses. In the case of this unit in Italy, the methane is transformed into liquefied natural gas for mobility application. KHIMOD's power-to-gas unit is controlled by a dedicated control system, also resulting from KHIMOD's know-how. The entire installation is controlled in real time from a general supervision system. All the operations on each component are therefore accessible in an intuitive and simplified way. KHIMOD technology is a real breakthrough for the development of the energies and the mobility of the future, accessible, clean, and in phase with the needs of society.